Hello everyone, it's me, Locayoj, and welcome back. So today's video will be an additional information about my second mini contest. And there's a surprise, so keep on watching. Just a recap, the prizes of our second mini contest are 4 brushes. So you got your eyebrow brush with spoolie on the other end. You got your small dome brush, your angled shader brush, and your black blending brush. And on top of those brushes, you will get 4 3D lashes. They're all 15mm and they're protected with a magnetic hard case. So you got your Hillary, your Lee Devi, your Micaela, and Chi. And as you all know, I am the owner of Locayoj Cosmetics, and I am also an eyeshadow palette creator, and I have my own manufacturer. My account manager just sent me a package today and gave me a lot of new eyeshadow palette that is under their new collection. And they sent me a bunch, and I don't think I have to own them. I already have enough makeup for myself because I only have one face. So I think it would be good if we are going to add one eyeshadow palette for the price, and let me show it to you. And since this is straight from the manufacturer, it means it doesn't have any label. That means if you are the winner, you can add your logo here. I do have a transparent sticker somewhere, so we can put it here. So if you open it, yep, nothing, no label. And also, the shade names or the pigment doesn't have any names yet. So at the back will be the ingredients and the pressed pigment information. It's cruelty-free and not tested on animals. And some other more information there. Let's open it. Since it's hard-cased, for sure, there is a mirror in here. And I preferred eyeshadow palette with mirrors. Ta-da! As you can see, it's 15 pressed pigments, perfect for your creative makeup. You have your yellows, your blues, and you can see that matte blue there, perfect for glam and other creative looks. And you have your browns, your oranges, your peaches, and for everyday makeup, of course, your soft brown, your chocolate brown, and some shimmer. These still have the film. I will not open it for sanitation purposes because this will go to the winner. So this is a surprise. Here are the summary of all of the prizes now. So you have the Sheen lashes, the Lee Devi, the Hillary, and the Micaela, and all 4 brushes. So this is the palette up close. I will not remove the film for sanitation purposes. So you have your yellows, your peach undertones, your browns, your matte chocolate browns here. They look the same because of the film, but in real life they are different. So you got your paint shimmer, your brown shimmer, your moss green. These 2 blues are very, very pretty. That's the shimmer one, and this is the matte blue. And this is a pastel blue and a yellow, just a basic matte yellow. So you got 15 shades in this palette. So it doesn't have any name. You can name it and you can add your logo here. So here are all the official prize for our second mini contest. So make sure that everyone will join. And we're back. How awesome the prizes are. So make sure that you join the contest. The theme is Summer Creative. I've already posted some samples on my Instagram, and make sure that you send your entries until May 5. That is the deadline of the submission of entries. So for more details, make sure that you follow our Instagram. You read the description of this video. Once again, the deadline of the submission of entries will be on May 5. I will give you until 11:59 p.m. Make sure you join, guys, okay? Let me help you build up your kit. I think that's all for now. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.